With 9 soccer fields and 5 softball fields, Veterans Park is one of the premier complexes in the area to host tournaments. But it's about to get a whole lot better thanks to a $4 million project.
It's something that we really want to enhance, we really want it to grow, and we want to be the destination in Texas for athletics.
2 new artificial turf fields are in the works, something that's needed to guarantee playtime all year long. When it's either too wet or too dry, the soccer fields are shut down to prevent wear and tear. But with these 2 new synthetic turf fields, they'll allow play no matter what the weather.
When you add turf fields to the mix, those fields can take wear and tear. They can take a beating a lot easier and more often than those grass fields can take. So by offering those fields, we're able to attract some of these other groups because we have more facilities available.
Veterans Park brings in roughly $7 to $10 million in tourism every year. Parks and Recreation Director David Schmitz only expects that number to increase with the new additions.
This hopefully will help us jump that up another couple million or so in additional tournaments.
New lighting and more parking are also a part of the project's plans. Construction will begin in September with the completion of the fields expected this winter. The project is being funded through the Hotel Occupancy Tax Fund, so it's not costing taxpayers a dime. In College Station, Lauren Holman reporting.